today we're gonna launch our Make 100 items, and I've chosen to make 100 items from Selvedge Denim, and we're gonna make them on a vintage sewing machine where possible. And so what's in our reward package? It's aprons, it's a card case, it's a bookmark, and it's a tote bag. And so the bookmark, there are a few of those for people who love to read. It's an ideal gift. Card case for people who love to carry excess cards. It's a perfect gift. You streamline. For tote bags, the tote bags that we've made, there's an exterior pocket, there may be a print, and there's a certain depth to the interior that allows you to use it for your daily carry. It may have an exterior strap such as this, which is from webbing, or it may have leather. So there are optionalities as to how it does look, and it may have an exterior pocket or may not. The apron will have one exterior pocket for you to store all. It's a very large pocket, and the apron will be made from Selvedge Denim. So there are 4 items in the Kickstarter that are from Selvedge Denim, crafted here in the workshop, crafted by me, done by me. Welcome to the dry January.